So there is one more method to analyze the complexity of some algorithms, that is called master method. So today we will study the master method. So master method is very simple method. It means there is a fixed formula, and depending upon that particular fixed formula, we calculate the time complexity of an algorithm. So all the time we have to remember that formula. That is the main thing. Okay. So I'm sharing the screen. You can see it. It's very simple. Then we'll solve some questions. Is this visible?
Yes, sir.
So see, first of all, master method we can only apply if your equation is like this. Otherwise, we can't apply. So if it is Tn is equal to a Tn by b plus n to power k log p to power n. So it means that if equation is in this form where b is greater than 1, so b is greater than 1 means b cannot be 1. Okay, k is greater than equal to 0, it means k can be 0 also. And p is a real number, so p can be 0 also. So for example, equations of type like Tn is equal to Tn by 2 plus 1, this we can apply master method. Tn is equal to 8t n by 2 plus n square, here we can apply master method. Tn is equal to 3t n by 4 plus n cube log square, and here we can apply master method. Okay, Tn is equal to t upon 2n by 3 plus n cube. Here we can apply master method. So this value is a. So a can be 1. If you see here, a is greater than equal to 1. So a can be 1. But b, it means this value cannot be 1. It means that 2t n plus n square. Here we cannot apply master method because b is 1 here. So here we cannot apply master method. Okay. And since k is 0, so this term can be 1. P is a real number, so p can also be 0. So this term can be also 1. Okay. So now let's see. This is the formula. I hope it is visible. This one. Is it visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So see here, what are the cases? So first case here is if value of a is greater than b to the power k. This is case 1. So from the given equation, we'll check whether value of a is greater than b to the power k. If it is so, then this will be the time complexity. This. Directly we'll write theta n to the power log a base b. Now if a is equal to b to power k, then there are 3 sub cases. First case is that p is greater than -1. Second is that p is equal to -1. And third is that p is less than -1. So all 3 cases have different time complexities. Okay. And if a is less than b to power k, then again we have 2 sub cases. P is greater than equal to 0 and p is less than 0. So again, we have different time complexities. So this you have to remember. You have to memorize this thing, this whole formula. Then only we can solve the questions using master method. And it is the simplest method. Simplest method. You just have to write the answer, nothing else. First thing. Second thing, always remember all the recursive equations cannot be solved by master method. Why? Because the restriction is that b must be greater than 1. So any recursive equation of the type 2tn plus n, or say tn is equal to tn minus 1 plus c, these type of equations cannot be solved because why? B is equal to 1. So this is not possible. These type of equations are not possible. So any equation which is not fulfilling this criteria, we cannot solve it using master method. Okay. So let's start by taking an example. Okay. First example I am taking, the simplest one. Okay. So first of all, we'll write the values of A, B, K, and P. So A is equal to 2, B is equal to 2. K is what? K is n to the power. So here power is 1. So K is equal to 2. And P is equal to 0 because this log value does not exist. So any value to the power P is 1. So we say it is 1. So P is equal to 0. Now after finding all these value, we'll check which of the case exists, whether this case is there, or this case is there, or this case is there. So we'll write value of A and value of B to the power K. So value of A is 2 and B to the power K is, sorry, K value is 1, not 2. 2 to the power 1. So it means that this is equal to this. So it means we are in second case. So we'll apply case 2. Sorry, case 2. Now we'll check whether P is greater than -1 or P is less than -1 or P is equal to -1. So obviously P value is 0. So since P is greater than -1 because 0 is greater than -1. So time complexity is theta. See, n to the power log A base B. So n to the power log A base B log P plus 1. It means 0 plus 1. It means log 1 n. And we can simplify it. So log 2 base 2 is 1. It is n log n. Is this clear, class?
Yes, sir.
So it's very simple. Okay. So this one, always remember whenever you are solving this equation, so you have to write the complete formula also. So when you write case 2, you write the case 2 complete formula and then you will solve it. So this was first example. The second, let's see some tricky examples. I hope you got notes on Google Drive.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this note also I will share by tomorrow, recursion tree method and master method.
Okay.
Now Tn is equal to 2t n by 2 plus n upon log n. Okay. Now this one. So how to solve it? This equation can be written as 2t n by 2 plus n log -1 n. Is it fine? This we can write.
Yes, sir.
Now value of A is equal to 2, value of B is equal to 2, value of K is equal to 1, and value of P is equal to -1. So again we'll check A and B to the power K. So obviously it is equal, 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1. So again case 2 will apply. And since P is equal to -1, so sub case B will apply. Sub case B says that this will be the time complexity. So that's right, it theta n log B base A. So n log 2 base 2 log of n. So this is theta n log n. Simple. Okay. So note it down very quickly. We'll move to the next one. Done?
Yes, sir.
So now let us make it under root of 2 and log n. So Tn is equal to under root 2 Tn by 2 log n. Okay. So again using master method, we'll write the values here. Now value of k. So value of k is 0 and value of p is 1. So again we'll check. So this is 2 to power 1 by 2. This is 2 to power 0. So obviously this is greater. Sorry, under root 2. Yeah, this is greater because this is 1.44 and this is 1. So this is greater. So since it is greater, so case 1 will apply. And theta of n log 2 base under root 2. Okay, that is equal to theta of n to the power 1 by 2 theta of root of n. Okay. One more very good question is there. Let us see that. Tn is equal to 2Tn by 4 plus n to power 0.51. Okay. So here A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. Okay. K is equal to 0.51 and P is equal to 0. So again A and B to power K will compare. So this is 2 and this is 4 to the power 0.51. So we know that 4 power 0.5 is equal to 2. So it is 0.51, obviously it is less, so this is greater. Okay. So it means that this one is greater. So again case 1, that is theta n to the power log b base a. So value of b is 4 and value of a is 2. That is again theta of under root n. Okay. So I'm giving some questions, try those questions and then let me know. I hope this is clear. Class?
Yes, sir.
सर 4 to the power 0.51 greater होगा ना?
4 to the power 0.51 will be greater than 2. 0.51. हाँ ठीक है ओके फाइन ये लेस देन हो गया ओके सो उसको
Third case.
केस 3 हो गया बेसिकली ओके सो इट विल बी केस 3. So case 3 then we have to check P. So P is greater than equal to 0. So case A will apply. P is greater than equal to 0 and again this is n to power k log P to power n. So theta of n to power k. So n to power 0.51 and log P n. So P value is 0. So log 0 to power n, that is equal to theta of n to power 0.5. Now it's true. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Some questions
Yes, sir.
I'm writing here. So just go through those questions. Try to solve them. Okay, one very important information for you people. Like, you know, CT is scheduled on 7th, 8th and 9th
Yes,
of
sir.
October. So I'll try to, you know, this performance measurement will be completed. All three methods we have already completed. There are some more questions, one more tricky questions, classical question that we'll do. By the time you note this thing, insertion sort, quick sort and merge sort. You go through all the videos that I have uploaded on YouTube. You also have notes of these. Last year I also taught you. So insertion sort, merge sort, quick sort, and one method I will teach you, counting sort. So these four sorting methods will be in your syllabus. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
So go through these sorting methods, and meanwhile, maybe in coming Saturday, Sunday, and if there is any, because see, 2nd of October is a holiday. Saturday you are not having classes, and 4th is Sunday. So 5th, 6th you can ask me, or this Saturday you can ask me. So I will suggest you go through at least quick sort, merge sort, and insertion sort, algorithm, complexity analysis, and sorting a data using these three methods in the coming days. And if there is any problem in any technique, let me know. Anybody is having any problem, because everything has been already taught in data structure. Okay. So I will try to cover it, but suppose in case I don't get time, because lectures are less right now. So you have to take care of this. Okay. So I'm writing some questions here. First, solve these questions. First one is, seven Tn by 2 plus n square. Then we have Tn is equal to 2Tn by 2 plus n minus 1. Then we have Tn is equal to 4T n by 2 plus n square. Then we have Tn is equal to root 2T. This we have done. Okay, so these are three questions. Solve them quickly, then we'll move forward. Always remember, I have already told you that constants we ignore. So here minus 1 doesn't matter. Similarly, we also ignore floor and ceiling. So if question is given like this, suppose if question is given like this, Tn is equal to 7T floor of n by 2 plus n square. So this floor means nothing. Floor and ceiling means nothing. So solve this quickly. Done? Class, have you done?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Any problem?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So there is one more questions which is a bit different. So and it is important also. So let's see how to solve such type of questions. Just wait. Now the question is, Pn is equal to two t under root n plus log n. Okay, question can be like this. Instead of n, you are getting under root of n. Or you can also get like this, 10 to power 1 by 3 log 3 base n. Or you can get in general 2t sorry, n to power 1 by x some problem. In general, what you can get like this: 2t n to the power 1 by x plus log x base n. Okay. So how to solve this type of question? Like here we are getting n to power 1 by 2. Here we are getting n to power 1 by 3. Here we are getting n to power 1 by x. Here log 2 base n. Here 3 so log 3 base n. Here x so log x base n. So how to solve these questions? Okay. So
X value will be same.
x value will be same. Always remember this thing. There's some problem in system today. It's getting hanged again. Just wait. Any one of you have encountered ever this CAPTCHA problem? CAPTCHA is not appearing. So what I was telling is always remember n to the power 1 by x, then log of n base x. So this value and this value will be same. So base and power will be same. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
So what we do here, first we'll convert it into normal equation. So we take, let m is equal to log of n. So it means n is equal to 2 to the power n. Okay. It implies that n to the power 1 by 2 is equal to 2 to the power m by 2. So remember this step. Okay. Now we'll rewrite equation using m. Okay. So t 2 to the power m, because n value is what? N value is 2 to the power m, is equal to 2t 2m by 2 plus m, because log n is m. Okay. And this we can write as, let Sm is equal to t to the power m. So this equation will turn into Sm is equal to 2s m by 2 plus m. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now you can solve this equation either using recursion tree method or substitution method or master method. So let's solve it using master method. So a value is 2, b value is 2, k value is 1, p value is 0. So a is equal to b to the power k, this is 2, because 2 is equal to 2 to the power 1. Okay, so when this is equal, so we'll check whether what is the value of p. So case 2 will apply here. So since p is greater than equal to, sorry, greater than minus 1, p is greater than minus 1. So Sm is equal to, according to the formula, theta m to the power log 2 base 2 log of n. Okay. So it is equal to theta m log n. Now simply substitute value of m here. Okay. So value of m is what? Value of m is log n. So it is theta log n log n. Is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Now in place of root n, I'm telling you here, sorry. Suppose question is Tn 2t n to the power 1 by 3 plus log 3 base n. Okay, so now what we'll do? M is equal to log 3 base n. Log m base 3. Okay. So it means that n is equal to 3 to the power n, and n to power 1 by 3 is equal to 3 to the power m by 3. Okay. So we'll rewrite. So it will become 3 to the power m plus 2t 3 to the power m by 3 plus n. Okay, and let Sm is equal to t 3 to the power m. So what we'll write here? Sm is equal to 2s m by 3 plus m. So again, you can solve it using master method or recursion tree or any method. So I hope it is clear how to solve it.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So one more question was there. It was also a different type of question. Just wait. So the question is Tn is equal to n minus a plus Ta plus Cn, where a is greater than or equal to 1 and c is greater than 0. Okay. So this is Cn. So how to solve this type of question? Because we do not know the value of a, and obviously we are ignoring the value of a. Okay. So it means that after doing Cn amount of work, we are getting two sub problems. One of size Tn minus a and one of size Ta. So here again I will do C into n minus a amount of work. Here I will do Ca amount of work. So here I will again get two sub problems of size T n minus 2a and Ta, because this is constant. And here I will get one sub problem of size Ta because n is not there. So again I will do here C into n minus 2a amount of work. Here I will get Ca amount of work. Here I will get Ca amount of work. So if you calculate here at this level, I'm getting Cn work. Here also Cn minus a. So Ca is cancelled. Again Cn amount of work. Here also again Cn amount of work. And this will terminate when T1 will get. Okay. When we'll get T1. So it means that Tn minus Ka. This is the, suppose at kth level. Let depth be K. So at kth level, we will be having this input size, k. And for recursion to terminate, n minus ka is equal to 1. It means k is equal to n by a. This is the number of levels. Okay. So at every level, Cn work is done, and total level k is equal to n by a. Therefore, Tn is equal to n by a into Cn, that is less than equal to order of n square. Why? Because C and A are constant. So answer is order of n square. I hope it is clear. Class, any problem?
No, sir.
देखो भाई किसी घर लाइट आ गई, माइक म्यूट करो इडियट. One more question I will tell you. Just wait. So if you want, you can note it down fast. Then I will switch to the next one. Done, class?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay. So the question is, this. Okay. So again, we'll use recursion tree method. So doing an amount of work, we are getting two sub problems. T alpha of n and T1 minus alpha of n. Okay. Here we'll do alpha n amount of work. Here we'll do 1 minus alpha n amount of work. That is equal to the input size because n is input size. So here n. So we'll replace with the same. So we'll substitute alpha n in the complete equation. Okay. So what we are getting here? We are getting alpha square n and alpha into 1 minus alpha n here. And here what we are getting? T alpha 1 minus alpha n, and here we are getting T 1 minus alpha square n. So here we'll do alpha square n amount of work. Here we'll do alpha into 1 minus alpha n amount of work. Here we'll do alpha into 1 minus alpha n amount of work. Here we'll do an alpha square n amount of work. Okay. So if we calculate it, so here we are doing an amount of work. Here if you calculate alpha n got cancelled, an amount of work. Here if you calculate to see alpha square n plus, you know, alpha minus alpha square n, here plus alpha minus alpha square n plus 1 plus alpha, sorry, n plus alpha square n plus, sorry, minus, not plus, minus 2 alpha n. So if you calculate, if you solve this equation and calculate, so this got cancelled, and this and this got cancelled, and this was 1 minus alpha n, alpha n. Okay. This was alpha n. So this and this got cancelled. So again we are left with n only. So here also we are doing n amount of work. Is this clear? We have simply added this. We have simply added all the terms and we are getting this n. So at every level, n amount of work is done. And how many levels are there? So this T1, it means that suppose at kth level n is equal to 1. So it means that T alpha to power k minus n. Okay, this is alpha square n. Kn is equal to 1, for example. Okay, so it means that n is equal to 1 by alpha. Okay, alpha n is equal to 1, it means n is equal to 1 by alpha. So, sorry, not n is equal to. We have to calculate basically k. So what is the depth here? This we have to calculate. The depth is, here we'll get alpha kn. Okay, and here again we'll get alpha minus alpha square n. So Tn is equal to, T1 is equal to alpha k to the power n. This will be equal to 1. So since alpha is less than 0, so we can write here the depth k is equal to 1 upon alpha. Okay, so depth k is equal to 1 upon alpha. Why? Because alpha is less, alpha is less than 1. So therefore depth k is equal to 1 upon alpha. So the total number of level is, not depth k, yes. So alpha k is equal to 1 upon n from this one, and n is equal to log 1 upon alpha. Sorry, k is equal to log 1 upon alpha n. So by solving this equation, we get alpha to power k is equal to 1 upon n. Okay, and k is equal to log n base 1 by alpha. So total number, since total level is equal to k, that is equal to log n upon 1 by alpha. So Tn is less than equal to n into this. Is this clear, class?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this I'm writing once again cleanly, little clean manner, so you can go through it. So what we are saying, at level k, input size input size is equal to 1. This implies that alpha kn is equal to 1. Okay. This implies that alpha k is equal to 1 upon n. And this implies that k is equal to log n on 1 by alpha. Yes. So note it down. Written?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So tomorrow we'll start new topic. Fine. And I will upload some practice questions also for you and notes also for you by tomorrow morning. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay.